Hi there, how's it going? Yeah, having fun? Yeah, it's been pretty cool, eh? I've found lots of cool things to do. Today I thought I'd wash down the old fire truck, get it nice and shiny. While I was washing, I have been thinking about a few little cool things that we could do using water and an old drink bottle. Stay tuned. Okay. So of course you can make it out of blocks of wood if you want to. I just thought I had some plastic bottles in my recycling bin, so I thought why not use some plastic bottles. So we drill a hole for the wheels, give it a wee bit of a paint job. Right, it's not a fire truck without a big yellow fire in it, it's still just a wee bit wet there. And I actually had some Lego wheels. I mean, you can use any sort of wheels you want to. I just had Lego. We got heaps of Lego, so I just thought you'd use it. And then when you just pop it through, connect it at the either end, and you're done. Voila. So what I've done is I've turned my drink bottle, my juice bottle, into a fire truck. And if we make a couple of them, you can have races with your mum and dad or your brother and sister. All you do is you line them up, and you get your hose, and you go, and your marks, get set. Pretty cool.